A very scintillating morning to my loving students. I hope you are revising your chapters and completing the notes. So, students, today I will explain you the poem Hurt No Living Things. Do you know the meaning of living things? It means the things which can breathe, eat food, grow, move, and reproduce the young ones are called living things. For example, birds, animals, plants, and human beings. They all are living things. So the speaker in this poem is Christina Rossetti. She was a well-known writer of children's poems. She gave a message to all the pupils and children that don't hurt any living things. That means we have no right to hurt any living creature. They all are special in their own way. My dear children, with this story you will learn to take care of insects, birds and animals. Now our poem first line, hurt no living thing, ladybird nor butterfly. The first line of this poem is don't hurt butterfly or ladybird. By the given picture, you can understand what is a ladybird. I know most of the students are catching butterfly and killing them, so don't kill them. Second line, nor moth with dusty wings. In this poem, moth means an insect which can spoil our woolen clothes. Third, cricket chirping cheerily is a brown color insect. This insect makes a loud noise by rubbing its wing together. This insect you can see mostly in the rainy season. Nor grasshopper so light of leaf. I hope that you all have seen the grasshopper. It is green in color. Nor dancing gnat, nor beetle fat. By the picture you can see this insect. Gnat is a small flying insect that bites animals and pupil. Nor harmless worms that creep and don't harm the earthworm. You know that with the help of earthworm the land becomes fertile and it helps to make manure. I hope you understood the lines of this poem by the given clips, and I think so you heard the news about the pregnant bitch and the pregnant elephant, how badly the pupils treated and they killed it. The lady had beaten the witch by the stick and some pupil had given the crackers in its food and the elephant died. So my dear children, you think whether it was right or wrong. It was wrong. We have no right to hurt any living things. So from today onwards, you promise not to hurt any animals like street dogs and don't kill any insect. I hope you all have understood the poem. Now we will do the book exercise. First, word meaning. Ladybird, a small red beetle which is round and has black spots. Cricket, a brown or black insect which makes loud noises by rubbing its wings together. So light of leap. Here the speaker says that the grasshopper is quick and light in its movement. Gnat, a small flying insect that bites animal and pupil. Creep, to move slowly and quietly. Questions. Hurt no living things. What are the living things that the speaker speaks about? Ladybird, butterfly, moth, cricket, grasshopper, gnat, worms are the living things that the speaker speaks about. Which insect according to the speaker has a dusty wing? So your answer is moth. How does the speaker describes the cricket and the grasshopper? The cricket chirping cheerily and the grasshopper leaps lightly. So, your poem is completed and complete your notes and learn the poem. Thank you.